Sean again, an application engineer here at Dataq Instruments. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use paste triggering in ExcelLink. Paste triggering allows you to decide how often to send data to Microsoft Excel. In this example, we're sampling at 100 samples per second. But let's say we only want to send a sample to Microsoft Excel every second. To do so, we'll begin by running ExcelLink from the Add-ons menu. With the Event tab selected, instead of entering event criteria, we'll enter an export interval, in this case 1 second. As with other trigger options, we can use the loop feature. Now, when we click the Start button, we see that one sample of data is exported to Excel every second. Meanwhile, in the background, we're still sampling and displaying 100 samples per second in WinDaq.